Hey everybody, it's Max from Roosebeck, and today we're going to learn how to tune your mountain dulcimer in DAD. So what is DAD? DAD refers to the D bass string, the A middle string, and the two D melody strings. After shipping or after not playing for a while, it could be out of tune, so that's why we need to touch it up a little bit. So grab a trusted tuning device. I use Piano Tuner, which is free to download online, or you could buy a clip-on tuner. So most importantly is to go very slowly and listen to the different sound. So let's start with the bass string, D. You can see it's a little bit flat. So we locate, that's lower. We bring it up. And when it's in the green, that's perfect. Now we're going to move to our A string, which is the next one over. Also flat. So we bring it up, slowly, slowly, and it's in the green. Now we move to our melody strings. Be careful, it's easy to tune the wrong string, and that's how you break a string. So carefully we find the first melody string, flat, raise it, raise it, perfect. Let's find the other string, flat, raise it, perfect. Now that it's all tuned up, let's hear how it sounds. Subscribe to Roosebeck for more educational videos. Have a great day.